Hey everybody, it's Dr. Selfridge. I'm in Germany. We're in Schillingfürst, Germany, and we're at a palace. Show them the palace. Do a 360. Okay, so we're at a palace in Germany, and we're going to do a quick lesson for you. We're going to teach you how to play the Wii theme on a bunch of different instruments. Gianna is demonstrating on alto sax. All right, say the names of the notes.
A, B, C, B, A, G, D.
Right, they're going to do it with a high octave, right?
Yes.
Okay, so play it for them slow. Wow, good. So now we're going to learn it on, what should we learn on? Trumpet. Jenna demonstrating on trumpet. All right, what are the notes?
So it's D, E, F, E, D, C, G.
Okay, can you do it slow?
Yeah.
Wow. Now, for if you're a beginner and you can't play those high notes, we're going to do it in the low octave, on low C, okay? Good. All right, tenor sax. Tenor sax. Lainey on tenor sax. All right, Lainey, ready? What are the notes?
D, E, F, E, D, C, G.
D, E, F, E, D, C, G. All right, play that slowly for us. Sounds awesome. Okay, we have Diego on trombone.
So C, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, F.
Okay, play it for him. I love it. Okay, let's all play it together. Wii theme. 1, 2, ready, go. Hope you had fun. We're in Germany and we're coming home soon.
We're gonna go play a concert now. Bye guys.
Bye. See you soon.
Thank you, filmer.